Hey everybody, HVAC Repair Guy here. I've got over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two basic tier single-stage air conditioners, the Century ASA16 and the Comfortmaker N5A5S. If you are shopping for a straightforward replacement system for your home, I'm going to walk you through how these two stack up side by side. Looking at cabinet construction and build quality, there is a clear difference in how these outdoor coils are protected. The Century ASA16 comes standard with fully louvered metal panels that shield the condenser coil from hail, flying yard debris, and stray rocks. It also comes equipped with a factory compressor sound blanket. The Comfortmaker N5A5S does not feature louvered coil protection and does not include a compressor sound blanket. When it comes to efficiency and performance, both systems sit squarely in the basic tier with a 14.3 SEER rating. Because they share the exact same efficiency rating, your summer electric bills will be essentially identical between the two. Where you will notice a difference is operating sound levels. The Century ASA16 runs at 72 decibels, while the Comfortmaker N5A5S comes in at 75 decibels. That 3 decibel difference makes the Century noticeably quieter when you are relaxing out on the patio. Under the hood, both units utilize standard single-stage technology. When your thermostat calls for cooling, both units kick on at full capacity and run until the house reaches your set temperature, then shut off. As for manufacturing, both of these units are built in the United States. Century equipment is manufactured by Mars, while Comfortmaker is manufactured under the International Comfort Products banner by Carrier. Now let's talk about equipment cost and installation pricing. For the Comfortmaker N5A5S equipment-only pricing online for the outdoor condenser alone ranges from around $2,670 for a 2-ton model up to $3,925 for a 5-ton unit. Turnkey professional installation for a full Comfortmaker system typically runs between $4,500 and $6,500. For the Century ASA16, direct online retail sales for the standalone condenser are generally restricted because Mars distributes primarily through wholesale supply houses. Full turnkey installed pricing for a complete Century replacement system usually lands between $5,000 and $8,000 depending on tonnage, local labor rates, and needed duct or line set modifications. Checking warranty coverage, both manufacturers offer matching protection terms. The Century ASA16 provides a 10-year limited parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 1-year unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails during the first year. The Comfortmaker N5A5S matches that exact coverage with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 1-year unit replacement warranty. My honest professional recommendation between these two is the Century ASA16. Since both units deliver identical 14.3 SEER efficiency and identical 10-year warranty coverage, the Century wins out on cabinet protection and sound reduction.